Hey, it's Mrs. J. I am here with Autodesk Inventor, shape sheet number 2, shape number 3. I know, right? Lot to learn. Inventor, shape sheet number 2, where the scale is 1/4 inch for each box, and we're looking at shape number 3. My approach is going to be to make this outside shape right there, extrude it back, and then add this little doohickey. Okay. So we're going to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, by 3. And then we'll just connect that. 8, 5, 3. Got it? All right. Looks like this when you're done. So from my home screen, make sure you're in your project folder. Hit projects for shape sheet 2. And we're going to make a new part. Click a new part. Start a new 2D sketch, top left corner. Hit the XY plane. I'm hovering, it turns green, XY. I'm going to drag mine over so you can see it better. And then line tool. Line tool, we're going to down here. And I'm going to left click in the origin, drag to the right. You see that little red and black box that comes up and disappears? You want it there. It means that you're parallel. It's a parallel constraint. And we said it was going to be 8 times 0.25. Use the star button on your number pad, or you can highlight above the number 8, has the star button. So that'll work for you. Shift 8. So 8 times 0.25, or you could just do the math and be like, okay, I know that's 2 inches. Okay, I'm going to hit escape here, and I'm just going to drag this out of the way. You don't have to. I'm just doing it so I can see it better. Hit the line tool one more time. Click the origin. Go straight up. Make sure it's straight, not on an angle. So 90 degrees. And we said 5 boxes. 5 times 1, 2, 5. The star button is what it recognizes, not the not like numbered, the, what do you call it? The X that you use like for math class as a multiplier. Okay, let me see if I can get this in front of you a little bit better. Okay, so we're still in the line tool, and we're going to come over here. I think we said 3. 3 times 0.25. So 7.75. And then just connect it. Connect it from here to here. If you lost it, it's okay. You could just hit escape, hit the line tool. And then just make sure you see the green dot as you click on each one. That way you know you can extrude it. Okay, easy peasy. 2, 1.25, 0.75, finish sketch. Hit the home button, hit extrude. It comes at you. I want it to go back so it looks like the picture. It does not matter. You can do it however you want. It just, my brain likes to see it the way I see it on paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 back. There we go. 5 times 0.25. Yeah, that's about it. And then hit enter, and it closes up for you. Nice, right? Okay, so now we want to get this little piece that sticks out here. If you were, and I see most students do this, if you do a new sketch right here and you place a square, it's actually going to point up this way. We want it to come out flat. So in order to do that, I'm just going to sneak around the back of this object and throw it in there. So just rotate around so you see the back. I know it says left, but just rotate around. Hit a new sketch and put it on there. So do you see where I am? I'm on the back side of this object. Put a new sketch back there. Then it flips it in front of you. When you look at the picture, you'll see that that box is right in the corner, 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it's in that corner. So we're just going to use the rectangle tool. Go on the bottom left corner. That way it'll be on the correct side on the other side. Drag up, and then 3 boxes by 3 boxes. So 0.75, tab, 0.75, enter. If you miss the tab feature, hit escape. You can use a dimension tool. So say you put in the wrong number, put in the dimension tool and grab it. If you just typed in the wrong number here, you just double click to change the number. But let's say some troubleshooting here. If you missed it, say you close it, you miss it, then you come up dimension, click it, type in the number you want. Okay, so done deal. Finish your sketch. And I'm going to hit the house button. You don't have to, but I want to see it. Extrude, and we're going to drag this. It knew to pick that. We're going to drag it right to the edge here. So it should be 2 inches. You can do the math on it. Now, I wanted to show you a mistake so you know how to correct it. See how it's pink? that means it's going to cut it. Or right here, it's cut it. So you could just switch it to join. But let's say you forgot and you hit cut. You're like, oh no, my part's gone. What'll I do? Call Mrs. J. No, don't call me. Watch this video. You come over, hit escape. Come over to your extrusion. This is number 2. The first one was going this way. Second one is the new one. Right click, edit the feature. An extrusion is a feature, usually a test question. Edit the feature, and then switch from cut to join. I'm going to join the materials. Okay. Good job. Don't forget your drawing sheet and save this as shape number 3, but give it something else. I gave it my initial shape 3J because you already have a shape 3 from shape sheet number 1. Thanks for watching. Have fun.